Chop your man banana. Go sell it on the corner. I am a ganja farmer. I am a ganja farmer. Chop your man banana. Go sell it on the corner. I am a ganja farmer. I am a ganja farmer. Chop your man banana. Go sell it on the corner. I am a ganja. You check my crops and I don't know. Chop my main crop them I know. Don't know. What that? What is? Blouse and skirt. Oh, no, your man looks so red. I must eat you seeing you and win race over so. You can say no. You nah sell this no. You go down and you go cook it. Yes. Are we ready? Taste this alone. Don't know. Yeah man, yeah, I'm ready. Coming like a this lightning bolt use over so. Take a bite.
I know say I freak out dog, but it's the first time I kill somebody even though she already dead dog. You have to man up, build dog. Build dog, relax dog. Yo, she already dead already dog, so you can't talk once she dead dog.
Dog!
So you want to kill it dog?
Dog, we just killed somebody person dead!
You kick her, thump her, you nearly drop on the girl, she nearly kill you. What do you want to do? You want me to kill you dog?
My youth, we just kill somebody!
Relax dog, calm down dog.
Kill somebody, we kill somebody, we kill somebody!
Love is in the air, everywhere I look around. Love is in the air, every sight and every sound.
Yo, dog, we have to save her, dog.
No, dog, drive the car, dog.
Dog, we have to save her.
Dog, no, dog, Hackers can't shake for the trail with dog. Drive the car, dog.
Pass back the dog. Pussy!
Oh, you look at this!
You can't jump on the dog. See you
can't jump on the bouncer, dog! Yo, I wanna.
Yo, gunshot now, gunshot.
We need to find a person there, dog. Them have ammunition, we need that.
Yeah, dog, we need protection, dog.
The bat can't work with me, no my youth. Yo, we got to go outside.
No, wait,
just
go.
Calm down.
No, yeah.
Babe, just calm the man. We
No,
reach.
don't leave me.
You might keep
No, we can't go outside. No.
No.
Yo, come on. Huh? Come on, look at me. Calm down. Relax. Yo, relax. Calm down. You hear that? That's a gunshot. We need to find out where that come from.
We need the gun and survive. We can't survive from back.
We have to find out. Yo, Mikey,
relax.
Here we need to find out where that gunshot come from. Ammunition, but we're splitting up though. We're splitting up.
No.
Yo,
No.
Look at me.
We're not.
We splitting up. Mikey, check over there. And I'm going over there. Alright, let's go. Mikey, let's meet up back at this car, alright? Come on! What's your name?
Come here.
Alright, come here. Tell me something. What
hell on the street now?
I don't know. Like, cause you remember when I heard this word sounds, I went downstairs and I saw my dad. And there was in blood and somebody even downstairs.
We need to be calm. Yo, what's that? Mikey, that, you know. Yo, we need to get him. We need to get him. Right there! My God! Yo, we need to do like one of those things that huddle up together and we're like, we're gonna kill some zombies! We're gonna kill some zombies! Yeah! Stop the yard! Want some stuff? Sure? Stuff anyone? No, I'm good. Stuff? I'm full. I'm good. Hey, secret ingredient? Horse stomach.
Yeah, here is. Make me in. This mad scientist takes work, people. God damn it. God damn it. Pop-Tarts? Pop-Tarts, anyone?
Do we have any Pop-Tarts? Somebody get him some Pop-Tarts!
God damn it.
Blueberry?
Keep over.
Rave or rave? I'm a star. I'm not a perv. Somebody lie, I got a camera in your room. Oh, he's rapping. So, I'm one of the main character.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
Dog,
Can I be in this?
No.
Okay.
Get away now. Anyways, 12. Yes. So they're saying they call me Awizi Priceless. Mikey, come here. Alright, look at him.
So.
Alright, come on now.
Wait, what?
So yeah, he's like number 2 in this. I run all of this. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, they help too. They help. But it's all me. I'm a star.